All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Sunday watch list. Currently not home right now, so hopefully the background noise isn't too loud. But I still wanted to drop a Sunday watch list for you guys. So starting off with economic data, I believe this week we have right. Monday's gonna be a short day because of Labor Day, and then Tuesday I believe we have PMI. So that's gonna be an important one. 10 a.m., 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wednesday, we have job openings, 7 a.m. as well. Typically, we'll have a reaction. And then Friday, we have non-farm payrolls. The first Friday of every month, we have non-farm payrolls. So that's going to be something I'm definitely watching and getting right into the charts. Very strong close to close the month of August on Friday. They say historically September is a bearish month, but as of the opening of September, it's currently not what it's looking like because the daily candle close on SPY was very strong. It looked like almost we were just flagging here, right? We got a strong rally, some consolidation for 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. And here we are pushing highs with a bullish candle here. For me to be very confident in longs, I need to see SPY break and retest all-time highs. Because as of right now, yes, we are pushing that all-time high, but we need to see a clean break and hold above that. Otherwise, right, we're still mid-range, and then just in case, it does reject, this 555 level is going to be that area I pay attention to. This is the area that continues to hold through all of this right here. So if it breaks and retests this, that's where I will be interested in shorts back down to 550, 551. That's what opens the door for that area. But as of right now, those are the two main key points I focus on. Bias would be a little bit more bullish based off of that Friday close. Going into QQQ now, very similar chart. You guys will see a 4 hour. Look at that daily candle close. It's like a bullish hammer. 4 hour chart. We have this demand zone here from back here that just continues to hold from here to here to here. So as long as we hold above this 473 to 475 area, this has been a very key level this whole week. 478. This 478 level, look how we rejected Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If we get a clean break and retest above 478, that is going to be my main watch on QQ. I do really, really like this setup for a move into 480. And if we can get a break and hold above this trend line here, that opens up room to 485. So for the week, I am very interested in a 478 break for a move into 480 and 485 on QQQ. Right, it looks like we were forming lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. And this recent low didn't break below this low. So that is starting to get signs of a potential reversal back to the upside. Almost looks like a inverse head and shoulders to me as well here with this left head and right shoulder here. Like I said, this 477 or this 478 level, my bad, is going to be that main level of interest for a move into 480. I really, really like that move. And I can potentially see a reversal back to the upside from here after this pullback. So another setup that I really, really like. So those are my top two as of right now. Tesla is going to be one of my favorite setups this week because of this higher time frame trend line that we have here. Notice how we have a high, lower high. On the daily chart, we came to this almost to the psychological level of 200. We came to the daily 200 SMA, and we held it the past 2 days. Moving into the 4 hour chart, we reclaimed the 210 level, which was demand from here, supply here, demand here, supply. And we completely broke above that with a lot of strength on Friday. Friday was up 3.8%, one of the strongest names in the market on Friday. And here we have that trend line that I'll show you guys. High, connecting to this point, and here we are. 215 is going to be a key level for me. Like 215.6, I want to see a clean break and retest above that, and that'll give us room to 220. Above 220, to 225, and 228. But what I'm looking for is a potential bounce off of this 210. A potential bounce off of 210 on Tesla would look great for me. Definitely interested in that, or the break and retest of 215. We also have like a potential trend change if we start to hold above this trend line here. So it's definitely something I'm interested for Tesla. Room into 220 above 215. Now, if we're looking at semiconductors NVIDIA is still not showing signs of reversal just yet, but it would be if it reclaims 124 back to the upside. 115 is a very key level to pay attention to. As long as we're in between, I'm not interested in it. But these two key points I am interested in. 115 and 124. Reclaims of 124 or bounces off 115. If it breaks 115, it opens room down to 112. But if it holds, push back to 124, above 124, back to these highs. So right now it's in mid-range. Same thing with AMD. AMD is showing a little bit more signs of reversal than NVIDIA. So not my favorite setup as of yet. I'd want to see reclaims of these areas up here for me to be a little bit more confident in longs. Amazon was another one of those names on Friday that was very, very strong. It reclaimed 175 and rallied. So this level here, right, Friday's high, I want to see it hold above that for potential moves back into these recent highs. As of right now, though, my top three setups are QQQ, Tesla, and SPY. Another name that I was looking at that had strength on Friday was INTC. This is looking like a double bottom here, right? After earnings, they sold off a lot. Here we have a double bottom, and we broke above that neckline of that 21.6. This could be good for small accounts. On a daily chart, we have a huge gap fill. Now, I'm not saying we're going to go and fill this gap fill completely, especially since INTC is not a name that moves a lot, looking at the ATR. But I think it could have room to 24. I think it could definitely have room to 24. It holds above that neckline right here at 21.6 to 21.8. I think that could be a great bounce level for this name. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Room up to 23 and 24.6. Other than that, guys, keep it very simple. I don't have much time right now, but I hope that this is helpful for you guys. And yeah, that is going to be my top watches for the week. So hope you guys have a good trading week. It's going to be a short trading week. Stay updated on the broadcast channel. Sometimes I go live in the mornings as well. And other than that, I hope you guys have a good trading week. Peace.